So I'm looking at mistletoe today. When I first came to Australia, I didn't know about native mistletoe. I knew about European mistletoe, but I didn't know there was a native Australian mistletoe. In fact, there are lots and lots of different native Australian mistletoes. And if you look up into the eucalypt trees, you might see a patch of leaves that's a slightly different colour. It might be slightly more yellow, whereas the gum leaves are a bit more blue-green, for example. And that little patch is a native mistletoe. The seeds attach to the branch, often carried by mistletoe birds, named because they help the mistletoe plant seeds on the branches of host trees. So the mistletoe bird eats the mistletoe berries, which pass through it intact, and they poo out the mistletoe seeds in a sticky poo onto the branches of other trees. And the mistletoe takes hold, starts using the nutrients that the tree is bringing in, and it grows from that. Sometimes you can see balls of mistletoe where the leaves have come off, and you can see this sort of ball mass that it's growing from. Once you start looking for mistletoe, you start seeing it everywhere. It's kind of fun. Let's see if some of these trees around here have mistletoe in them. And on that one over there, you can see the far left, that bit hanging down. That's mistletoe. Here's a perfect example of seeing the ball of mistletoe. You see that ball right in the middle? That's what the mistletoe is growing off. And all of this here that's hanging down is mistletoe, whereas this here is the tree branch and the actual tree. And you can see the ball at the top of this clump as well. There's quite a few on this branch. And here's one that we can actually look at. There you go. That's the mistletoe clump. Don't know the technical name. Yeah.